Mitzrayim v'ol is Ofei Kavod. To Mitzrayim, it's what Mitzrayim, their kolos will fly away like a bird. I mean, quickly, swiftly, you cannot hold it back. The kolo doesn't fly. Mitzrayim was highly honored, respected, and fly away. Now, how will it fly away? After all, it's one of the shvotim that was leading. It says, "Kedaber I'm the safe," and if time used to defeat, then everybody was trembled. No will be Yisrael. It's highly gifted, the leading tribe in Israel. It flies away. Why does it fly away? Israel has no offspring. And very few people born, because it's special first on the time. We neither only beten meheroi. Means this starts already from birth, from the mother's womb, and from conception. Means that very few people are born, very few, and even women get pregnant. Very few are in and conceiving.